This is a household anti-fog LED light, designed for a variety of scenarios including bathrooms, balconies, and kitchens. Now, with CrownCAD's 3D section view function, we can conduct a more comprehensive inspection by selectively hiding section lines, section, plain colors, and other visual distractions. We can better examine its assembly structure or internal components. Through inspection, we can identify multiple noticeable gaps across the assembly to avoid the common issues of manual inspection such as oversight and inefficiency. We can use the clearance verification function under Evaluate. We can select the components to be checked, enter the clearance value, and click Calculate. The system will then highlight all gaps that meet the specified criteria. For example, we can see a gap between the lifting ring structure and the top housing. We can zoom in for a closer look, and once confirmed, jump directly from the assembly to the corresponding part. Since there is some interference, we can use the extrude function to extend both sides. But in CrownCAD, there's a faster method. We can simply activate the offset face function under Transform. Select the single or multiple faces to offset. Enter the offset value, and the part updates instantly. After returning to the 3D model and updating, the modifications will be reflected in the assembly. Once all components with gaps have been processed, we can run the clearance verification function again. Select all components for inspection and confirm that the model has been fully addressed. Finally, we create a new drawing. Select an appropriate template and name it for standard drawings, instead of manually placing views. We can use the standard 3 views function to generate the front, left, and top views with one click. The title block is also automatically populated with the model's attributes. If any attribute is incorrect, we can return to the assembly or part from the drawing. Modify the corresponding attributes in the right-hand attribute panel. Attributes such as name, material, and weight can be linked to system values for automatic updates. If the drawing is iterated later, the attribute can also update accordingly. Returning to the drawing, we can see that the title block attribute have been automatically updated based on the model. Visit www.crowncad.com to start designing.